Is this the end of traditional drone registration? What if I told you that internal factory blueprints and supply chain leaks have just exposed DJI's ultimate secret weapon? If you are a filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone planning to upgrade your camera setup anytime soon, you need to freeze your credit card right now and watch this. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the absolute bleeding edge of consumer technology. Today, we are breaking down a massive leak that is about to change the drone industry forever. I am talking about the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. This is not just a minor refresh. This is a generational leap that packs professional-grade cinema features into a chassis that weighs less than an apple. So, sit back, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let us dive into the newly exposed schematics that prove why this microdrone is a complete game-changer. Let us start with the most critical component of any camera drone, the sensor. For years, the sub-250-gram drone category has been plagued by small sensors that struggle in low light and suffer from terrible rolling shutter artifacts when you are panning quickly. Well, those days are officially over. The leaks confirm that DJI is cramming a massive 1-inch Stacked CMOS sensor, reportedly codenamed Titan, directly into the DJI Mini 6 Pro. A 1-inch sensor on a drone this small is an absolute engineering marvel. But what does stacked actually mean for you? In simple terms, a stacked sensor architecture separates the pixel layer from the circuit processing layer. This allows the camera to read out data exponentially faster than a traditional sensor. The result? It almost entirely deletes rolling shutter artifacts. If you are flying fast past trees, buildings, or tracking a fast-moving vehicle, those straight lines are going to stay perfectly straight. Your footage will look like it was shot on a heavy cinema rig, not a tiny travel drone. Furthermore, the light-gathering capability of this Titan sensor is going to be absurd. Nighttime cityscapes, twilight sunsets, and blue-hour landscapes are going to look exceptionally clean with practically zero digital noise. And that immense sensor readout speed ties directly into the next massive upgrade, native 6K cinematic video at 60 frames per second. Yes, you heard that correctly. While the competition is still bragging about standard 4K, DJI is pushing the Mini line into the 6K territory. Shooting in 6K gives you an incredible amount of flexibility in post-production. If you are delivering your final video in 4K or 1080p, having a 6K source file means you can punch in, crop, reframe, and add digital pans or tilts without losing a single drop of resolution or sharpness. It is a massive safety net for solo creators who might not nail the perfect framing while flying. And doing this at 60 frames per second means you can still slow down that massive 6K file for buttery smooth, cinematic slow motion. It is an absolutely brutal reality check for the rest of the drone market. But here is where the leaks get truly insane. For the first time ever in a microdrone of this class, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is heavily rumored to feature a true mechanical variable aperture, ranging from a wide-open f1.7 all the way down to f11. If you have ever flown a drone, you know the absolute nightmare of landing, swapping out a tiny, fragile ND filter, taking off again, and realizing the cloud cover just changed and your exposure is ruined. A variable aperture completely eliminates that headache. You can dial in your exposure on the fly, directly from your controller, while the drone is hundreds of feet in the air. Need a shallow depth of field for a dramatic subject reveal? Open it up to f1.7. Need everything perfectly sharp and in focus from the foreground to infinity? Stop it down to f11. This level of absolute exposure control on the fly has always been reserved for massive, expensive drones, and bringing it to the Mini line is going to obliterate the competition. Now, having a cinema camera in the sky is useless if you crash it into a tree. The Mini series has always had decent obstacle avoidance, but the Mini 6 Pro is taking it to an entirely different dimension with the new Nightscape omnidirectional LiDAR safety system. Traditional optical sensors rely on ambient light to see obstacles. If you are flying in pitch-black darkness or low-light conditions, those sensors turn off, and you are flying inter. Blind. LiDAR changes everything. It fires thousands of invisible laser pulses every second to map the environment in real-time 3D, regardless of the lighting conditions. This means the Mini 6 Pro will be able to flawlessly track subjects and avoid completely invisible obstacles in the dark. Imagine utilizing the drone's active track feature to follow your car through a dense forest at night, knowing the LiDAR system will perfectly dodge every single branch. It brings a level of peace of mind that we have simply never seen in consumer drones before. Of course, all of this premium hardware requires an unbreakable connection between you and the drone. That is why DJI is equipping the Mini 6 Pro with their next generation O5 digital transmission engine. The current O4 system is already fantastic, but O5 is built specifically for high-interference urban centers. If you are flying in a major city in the United States, Europe, or Australia, you are constantly battling Wi-Fi signals, cell towers, and radio frequencies that can degrade your video feed. O5 promises a rock-solid, ultra-low latency feed, ensuring that what you see on your controller screen is exactly what the drone is seeing, with zero stuttering, even miles away. This means safer flights and infinitely more reliable monitoring for professional pilots operating in dense, premium markets. But hold on, because we have saved the most unbelievable leak for last. How on earth is DJI powering a 1-inch stack sensor, a LiDAR system, and 6K processing without making the drone incredibly heavy? The secret lies in a revolutionary shift in battery chemistry. According to the internal factory blueprints, the Mini 6 Pro will utilize premium, high-density solid-state batteries. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state technology dramatically increases the energy density while reducing the overall physical weight and volume. The leaked numbers are staggering. We are looking at flight times pushing past an incredible 60 minutes on a single charge. Just wrap your head around that. A full hour of flight time. You can launch this drone, scout your location, line up your perfect cinematic shots, record multiple takes, wait for the perfect lighting, and still have plenty of battery left to safely return home. It eliminates battery anxiety completely and means you no longer have to carry a massive bag of heavy spare batteries just to get through a single afternoon of shooting. And the absolute best part? Despite this monumental leap in technology, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is engineered to stay strictly under the critical 249-gram weight threshold. If you live in the United States under FAA jurisdiction, or the UK and European Union under EASA rules, you know exactly why this matters. Drones under 250 grams bypass the strict registration, remote identification, and extensive licensing regulations that govern larger, heavier drones. You get absolute flight freedom. You are getting the imaging power, the dynamic range, and the safety features of an elite enterprise drone, perfectly disguised in a lightweight, travel-friendly package that you can legally fly almost anywhere in the world. It is a complete cheat code for aerial cinematographers who travel internationally and cannot afford to get bogged down by local aviation bureaucracy. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just a hardware upgrade, it is a massive statement to the entire industry. It is DJI proving that you no longer have to compromise between elite professional image quality and regulatory freedom. We are expecting this sub-250-gram powerhouse to officially hit the premium markets later in 2026, and based on these leaked blueprints, you can bet it will be worth every single penny. What feature are you most excited about? Is it that massive 1-inch stack sensor, the 60-minute solid-state battery, or that crazy mechanical variable aperture? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below right now, I read every single one of them. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the absolute latest in consumer tech, authentic camera leaks, and drone engineering, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to Tech Vibe. Thanks for watching, keep your eyes on the skies, and we will see you in the next video.